Okay, then let's welcome our next presenter, Mr. Abdul Majid. He is the research assistant of Nepomics Biotech, and he is MPhil graduate from Pakistan in bioinformatics. So let's welcome him. He will continue the later section, and we can discuss this on later section as well. And for your kind information, I will be sharing the basic syntax, or you can say basic codes in your email as well. So you can run that code, and if you get any kind of problem, then you can just email us later. Okay, Abdul, you can continue.
Thank you so much, Sovan. You explained very well, and I appreciate your work. So first of all, I would like to ask that how much people are familiar with Python. Raise your hand. Three, four, five, six, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it means 5 people out of 20. Okay, so let me share my screen. I will introduce all of you with Python basic information. So I hope my screen is shared now.
Yeah.
So this is my directory workshop. This is my directory. I would like to open it in Visual Studio. If those members which are familiar with Python, they must have Visual Studio, GPU Notebook, and also they must have what we can say Google Colab information. Okay, so this is my working directory workshop. So we don't have any Python file inside this directory. Now we have to create a Python file like first Python. Okay, you can say program and something, but the extension will be .py. Okay, so now we want to check it's working or not. So we should go with print hello world. So what does hello world mean? Hello world mean universal greeting. Okay, if I run it, so it will be print here. So this is my first Python program that I run successfully. Okay, so if I want to save this file, I must to press Ctrl S, and then the Python file will be saved in my directory. By default, it also saved, doesn't matter. When you cross like that, I am telling you Python hello world to everyone. So this mean it's unsaved. Okay, it means that you want to edit and add, or you have do some edition, or you have some performance. So when you click Ctrl S, that will be saved. Okay, fine. So after that, I will tell you what is comment. So hash sign means it's comment, to comment something. Like I want to comment it, so it will not be print. anymore. Okay, this is the beauty of Python programming language. You can comment anything you want to add something. What you can think, you can perform in Python programming, but you should to be logical and technical. Okay, so for the basic, we should to type some string, some variable, type of variable, and some data structure like list, dictionary, tuple, and so on and so forth. So first of all, I would like to say that name is a variable. Okay, so name can be anything. Okay, so name is like chair. Now I can go for print name. So when I run it, so chair will be print here. So now most of people will be worried about at that what is the data type of name. So when I go to print type, now the variable name is name. So it will print type of the variable. So this is chair is the variable. So the type of our class of variable is string str. Okay. Now age is the second variable. So we must to say that age is equal to 29. Okay. So now we want to add print the age. So now we want to check the type of age. So if you run it, so it will tell us that chair string and 29 is integer. So again, I would like to add something more about age sexy. So can you tell me what will be the type of age? Anyone?
It'll be a string now.
It will be string. Anyone else? Okay, so let check. I want to comment this. Okay, so let print. It will be string. Why it is string? Because we have put in double comma. Okay, so this is the reason that's the type, the class of age is string. Good, excellent. So next we would like to go for some data structure like list. Okay, so I have like fruits, FRUTs, fruits. So it will be the list. List will be this one. Okay, this is the basic syntax of list. Okay, so now you want to add something like apple. Okay, orange. Okay, and what is your favorite fruit? Suman, what's your favorite fruits?
Strawberry.
Mango. Okay, so I want to comment this. When I run it, so it's okay, it's running. So now I want to print the fruit. Mango, apple, orange, apple, mango, everything is fine. So now I want to check the type of this fruit. What will be the type of fruit? Anyone? It will be less, definitely. It will be less. Okay, so now I want to print the first object, first element from the list. How it will be? Print roots, we can add one. Okay, so now we have to think that either it's print apple or orange. Anyone?
I think Python use one best indexing, so it will be Apple, I guess.
It will be orange.
Oh, so zero best indexing. Sorry.
Yes. So it's from zero and take zero, one, two. Okay. Like this. If I write a zero, then it will be apple. So if I like this zero up to two, what it will be?
All three.
Yeah. All three in case if you write three here because 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So the last index should be, we can count like 4 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and in case there was 2 and 2 minus 1 equal to 1. This is 0, 1. Okay, so it will be print orange up to orange. Okay, understand? Now, if someone want to append element to the list, what he she will do? Print fruits dot append. What you want to append? Banana. Okay. So if again I want to write fruit, print fruit, I will add banana. What does append do? Append do to add element, last element to the list and last index, like was last index mango, so the next last will be banana. Okay, now if you want to add another element in the same corner, same like that append, what we can append? Lemon. Okay, so now if we want to print the fruit at x lemon. Everyone is getting my point, what I am saying, what I am explaining you? Okay, jackfruit, so I miss it, so I will copy it. So here we want to add jackfruit too. The most you will practice, the most you will learn it. Okay, so now I want to check the length of the what we can say fruit. So for length, I would like to write Len, length of what fruit? 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's index from 0 up to fruit. If you count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the total length of fruit is 6. There are 6 different type of fruit. Understand? Okay, there's message 0 to 5. So now there is another data structure we are called tuple. Okay, so a tuple is immutable. What does immutable means? We can't mutate, we can't do any changes in tuple, just like list. So the basic syntax of tuple is like tup, tuple. This is tuple. Okay. Now you want to write something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is tuple. So now I want to print it. Print tup. Tup means tuple. You can define by another name like integer, but be careful. You can't name variable by default data structure, by default variables inside Python like integer. So you can't do this. Okay. If you can do, you will get some headache or some problems in coming future, or if you want to perform many time. So it is tuple. So definitely you want to go for type of this data structure. Class is tuple. Okay. So tuple is immutable. We can't mutate, we can't add. Yes, if you want to add something in tuple, you can change tuple to list, likewise list to tuple. Okay. So the second one is dictionary, dect. Okay. So for this, we should have basic syntax of dictionary as like I would like to say dex. Okay, equal to, there will be key and value. Okay, this is the basic syntax of dictionary. So this is the overview for dictionary. So if you want to call the key, you can like this dic key. Okay, and if you want to call the value, you can call values. Okay, so now we want to go for loop. Okay, so what mean by for loop? For loop means that how much time you want to perform a specific task. Okay, so from fruit I will pick one by one. Okay, so let's see, there is a fruit option. I would like to uncomment it and run it again. So I would like to comment it. Okay, so for loop means for, okay, fruit and fruits, print fruit. So you can see this is apple, orange, banana, lemon, jackfruit. It's because of this fruit. So I time it will completely compile, run, and up to nth number, nth length of this fruit. Like we can say another example. So I should to comment it for yours benefit, doesn't matter. So like I have a list, numeric number, whatever we can, you can say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is number. So I would like to say that this is numbers, not number. Okay, so for num and numbers, print num. It will print the whole number up to 8. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those who are familiar with Python, if I add some condition inside the for loop, what we will do? Any idea? Would you like to express your concept, some technical term? Okay, it's all right. Fine. Hello?
Well, I think it'll print only those numbers, like if the condition is true. For example,
Yeah,
in this case, if we type like in the condition section, like greater than 5, then it will only print 6, 7, and that.
yeah, exactly. Like this. If num in 5, print num. So it will print all the numbers that are less than 5. If we can say print number greater than 5, it will print all the numbers that are greater than 5. Excellent. Saruj, thank you. So these are the basic things that every bioinformatician or every biological science student or researcher must know about Python, and he can go for the highly and challenging work. So next is like we can define function. Okay, it's difficult to define function at the beginning level, so we should to try just for basic syntax. Okay, def and your function name with parentheses. So this is the basic syntax of function. How you can write a function in Python programming, and here you can insert parameters. Okay, so this will be the complete, what we can say, syntax of function. Okay, so another thing is there are two type of variables. We can go for global variable and local variable. Inside the function, it's called local variables. Okay, the variables that are inside the body of the function. So this is the body of the function whole. This is the body of function. So above global variable that can be accessed inside the function is called local variable. Everywhere, either you can access inside the function, either you can access outside the function. Understood? Everything is fine? Okay, thank you. So our next step is like we want to install BioPython. What? BioPython. So pip install. Let me, okay, I'm going to it. Okay, pip install BioPython. So it telling me that your requirement already satisfied. It telling me requirement are specified by Python in this location, are specified NumPy in this location. So I can go through like that from bio import bio dot sec. From bio dot import sec, not feature sec. So now there must be with me a sequence, a sequence, ENC sequence equal to sec. Okay. So A, T, C, G, blah, blah. Oh, how much you want to add. So now I want to print the sequence just like we have performed before. A module is not callable. So this module is not callable. It's all right. Doesn't matter. So I have installed Python and different. I should to go with not debugging extension. No, no setting. Mhm. So let's see. Module is not callable. Okay, doesn't matter. I have different Python resources. So let's see which one will be. Okay, here is not function. This is not function. Let's take it. Okay, doesn't matter. We have another way to do it. First, bio python dot ipynb. So what is ipynb? Anyone? What is ipynb? Hello? Anyone know about ipynb file?
I don't have that much knowledge regarding that particular file format, but earlier
Okay,
when I was trying to learn Python, I used to save a file in that particular format, but I have no idea
okay,
regarding
okay,
yeah, the
okay,
technical
okay.
details.
I will explain it. I will explain it to you. So IPYNB file is for use for Jupyter Notebook and Google Colab. Okay. So I want to check it. It's print or not. Hi, hi everyone. It will take some time because of new environment. It's running in new environment in new directory. Maybe it will pick. Congratulations everyone. It is running. So now I want to install pip install bio python. So let's see it's installing or not. Requirement are satisfied. So good. From bio import sec. Okay. So here will be one sequence. Anything you can type here, doesn't matter, but it will be nucleotide of DNA. So I want to print sequence. Okay. So no module callable. So what error I am facing? Anyone? I should write from bio dot sec import sec module. Understand? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So someone will worry about that how to translate or transcribe or complement, reverse complement, how to perform it. So we can. It's easy in Python if you have some basic information. So for this information, you must to know about how to be perform or how to be analyzes my target. Sec dot complement. So if you write C, then press enter, then complement. So let's check it's complement or not. So anyone can finalize it, it's the complement of DNA sequence or not. I should to send this in the chat box if it working or not. I think so. It's not working. Okay, doesn't matter. Let me try again. Not working. So fine. So this is the complement of this sequence. So we can write it like this. Complement. Okay. We can write it like sequence of DNA. Okay. This is the sequence of DNA. This is the complement of, you can write of DNA. Okay. For next, you can
Hello, are you there?
Okay, let's wait for some seconds. Maybe there is some issues from Abdul's side, so let's wait for some minutes.
Hello, Shumanshir, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Hello. So let's wait for some minutes. There is an issue with Mr. Abdul's connection, so let's wait for some minutes, or else we will hang this meeting. So for your kind
The other
information,
day, I was going through or surfing through your website, and I'm
hmm,
kind of curious about your company's.
yeah,
Yeah, can you hear me?
yeah, I'm getting a voice. Please,
Am I audible?
yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, can you elaborate your queries? Hello.
Curious. No, I was just curious about the company Nepomics Biotech. The other day, I was surfing through its site, and I'm curious about the company. So, uh, can you give a brief idea about the company, if that's okay? Like,
Yeah.
how long has it been since it has been established?
So most probably you have missed the first session. So I have introduced our company in that first session. Basically, we have established Nepomics Biotech in 2021, exactly on June 8, 2021, and we have started from providing webinars and workshop on drug designing especially, and later on we also shifted our work on R&D, R&D in natural products. So you can get some of the information of our products on our website as well. And apart from there, we also do collaboration from different for different organizations and different peoples around the world. Uh, Currently, we are in coordination with uh, more than 10 peoples, especially in the Asian regions, especially in Pakistan, India, and Sri Lanka. So, if you are interested to collaborate with us in silico drug designing or any kind of this kind of programs, then you can be a part of Nupomix as well. Can I know your research interest in broader sense? Hello.
Letter AUG. It means methionine. Okay. And the
Yeah. It is
other
the
three for
initiation codon, right?
yes, 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 yes. So it is initiation, and this is UGA. What we can see, two, three, four, UAG. It's stop codon.
Stop codon. Yeah.
So
Okay.
steric means stop codon. Remember it. Okay. So now I would like to go further to pandas. Our session will be in after this session, after this analysis. Okay. Import pandas as PD. Okay. So for pandas, I need wait a minute. So it is the last module. Other word file will be shared with you through email. Okay. So for pandas, I would like to download a CSV file. But Titanic CSV. Okay, I have already this one, and I would like to copy, cut, desktop. Where is workshop? This one. Place it here, and I would like to rename and to Titanic name. Not it will be workshop. Right. So I will cancel it. So now I would like to read the CSV file. Okay. File CSV equal to pandas dot CSV read pd dot read CSV, and then file name. What was the file name? Workshop. Here is the workshop. Okay. So I would like to file dot CSV, then it will run hopefully. Okay. So this is the general syntax of how to run and visualize your file. Okay. Where is message things? Mm, okay. So now I would like to check number of rows and number of column. Okay. For this, I would like to file csv.shape. Here is 8, 9, 1 rows and 12 column. Okay. For this, I would like to file any statistic value dot. What you want to add? Column. So these are all column that are present in CSV file. File.csv dot. After that, you can find what you want. rows and rows, anything. If you are familiar, then you can go for it. Okay, this is the general syntax. So I want to print the head of the file. Dot head. It will show the first five column. First five row, one, two, three, four, five. First five. If I write file dot csv tell, so it will give me last five. Okay. So there are a lot of other syntax that we can analyze, we can parse our CSV file, just like how to parse our FASTA format, how to parse our gene bank format, and how to parse our sequence and BioPython inside sec IO module. We can perform alignment by bio.align. We can perform blast, bio.blast, and also we can perform file directory analysis, bio.philo. So there's a lot of module we will clear in next workshops or courses. So if anyone have question, then you can ask.
Sorry for interruption, but I have some question.
Yeah, you can.
Uh-huh. So I can't help but notice the similarity of Python with R. I'm beginner in Python, but I have some experience with R programming language. Like the function of head, tail, they are quite familiar to me. And I wonder if the function of pipe is also available in Python.
Yes, if you want to install a library, okay, like last time I performed like pip install pip install biopython. So it means that you want to install something, some library inside Python environment. Okay, this is the syntax for installing library. In R, you type install dot package ggplot2 or DESEC analysis if you want to perform gene expression analysis, and you can install like install dot package and package name. So in R it will be install.
I
So
see.
this is the difference between the syntax, and you want to analysis something in Python more efficiently than R. And R is basically mostly used for statistics and some best and excellence libraries like gene expression analysis, or you can go for spatial analysis, you can go for any statistical analysis. R is okay for, also it's okay for best tool for visualization too, ggplot2 and other you can test me other module of visualization. R is best and excellent tool for statistics and visualization, and some bioinformatics analysis like differentially expressed gene. All right,
Thank you.
did you
Thank you
get
for your guidance.
welcome? So anyone else? So someone you can wind up the session.
Okay, thank you for the wonderful presentation, Abdul. So I want to add one more thing that I've already sent you some information in the chat box as well. So we will be soon organizing 1 month workshop on Python from basic to some kind of competent training, so that it would be much beneficial for you all people in that particular session. So thank you for attending this event, and we will upload this recording by tomorrow evening. So you can go through our YouTube channel and you can watch those videos. And further, we will also be sending you some comments or sending you some quotes that I have already shared, and Mr. Abdul will also send you some information, some basic instruction regarding his session, so that you can get benefit from there as well. So thank you for attending, and hope you have a good time. A good night, everyone. Thank you.